Retropie, Retroarch, and Batocera are all retro gaming platforms, but they serve different audiences. So we have here Retropie. This is built for a Raspberry Pi, offering a plug and play retro console experience with emulation station, making it perfect for hobbyists who want a DIY emulation box. So next is we have Retroarch. By contrast, this is a powerful multi-platform front end that runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and even consoles, using libretro cores to emulate dozens of systems, but it requires more technical setup and is best for power users who want one unified interface across devices. And then lastly is we have Batocera. This is a full Linux-based operating system designed for retro gaming. This runs on PCs, Raspberry Pi boards, and handhelds with a pre-built plug and play experience that supports dozens of emulators and arcade systems, making it ideal for users who want a dedicated retro OS without tinkering. In short, RetroPie here. This wins for Raspberry Pi DIY builds. And then next is we have RetroArch, which wins for flexibility and cross-platform power. And lastly, Batocera wins for a ready-made retro OS just works.